The Layout tab contains a range of options which will affect your page setup. In this video, we'll look at margins, orientation, and size. We will look at breaks in another video. Margins allow you to set where you can input data on the page. They represent how far in from the edge of a document you go. For example, 2 centimeters down from the top means that you'll be able to start typing text 2 centimeters from the top of your A4 page. To change the margins, make sure you're in your Layout tab and then select the margin options. There are some default options, but you might need to customize. To do this, select Custom Margins, and then using the arrow keys or typing in, set your margins as directed. Changing the orientation changes the page alignment. You can set it to either being portrait or landscape. To do this, make sure you're in the Layout tab and then select the orientation drop-down. You can then select portrait or landscape. You can change the paper size. For example, the standard printing size is A4, but you might have a larger A3 or a smaller A5 in your printer. To change the paper size, make sure you're in the Layout menu and then select Size. You'll see a range of options in the drop-down. If your option isn't there, or you're wanting to work from a different type of document, you can select More Options and adjust in the new window.